to Farah. I look at you at this moment, so beautiful, so ready to face the world. But in my heart, I'm thinking back to the time when I first held you in my arms as a little girl, as a little baby. I was so proud of you, and I held you so close. I counted all your fingers and I kissed all your toes. You were my angel, my Snow White. But one thing that I'm keeping with me, Farah, and that's just for me, is that the world can never take away our precious memories, and I love you very much. We know this day will come when our baby girl will now be your wife. Haris, protect our little girl. Guard her with all your heart. Keep her in your du'as and stand up for her when she's weak. Her heart is so precious and she's now has the one to keep her safe. Welcome to the family, Wan Ami Haris.
She got her own reasons for talking to me. She don't give a fuck about what I need. And I can't tell you why, because my brain can't equate it. Tell me your lies, because I just can't face it. It's you. I won't cover my scars. I'll let them bleed. Am I wrong for wanting us to make it? Tell me your lies, because I just can't face it. It's you. Could it be that it's a lesson that I never had to learn? I looked at it like a blessing, and now it's just a curse. I don't know why.
Wan Ami Haris bin Wan Zakaria. Ya saya. Aku nikahkan engkau dengan kakak perempuanku Nur Farah Soraya binti Abdul Rahim, berwakil-walikan kepada saya dengan mas kahwinnya bernilai RM80 tunai.
Aku terima nikahnya Nur Farah Soraya binti Abdul Rahim dengan mas kahwinnya berjumlah RM80 tunai.
Alhamdulillah.
I'm thinking, baby, I'm bringing out a different kind of me. There's no safety net that's underneath. I'm free, falling all in.
Berikan tepukan yang paling gemuruh untuk Nur Farah Soraya dan juga Wan Amir Haris.
Trapped up on a tightrope, now we're here.